gonna get next time. He wanted to make a treat. What should we bake? He wants sweets. He wants cookies. He wants fries. He wants scrubs, cake, mushrooms, and ice cream sundaes. And ice cream sundaes. I need cookies. A pizza, eggs, flour, sugar, of course, chocolate chip. Let's put every bowl. He stirs. A pizza's a big mess. Roll the dough on the bowl of the bar. And Mom's having it very oven. And really cookies bake. It's so yummy and messy as a cookie yummy. Oh no, the cookies are burned. Get the side away. Yes, way big. Pizza, the ice cream, sundae, soup. Pizza cat. Roll with it. The kitchen's a big mess. There's no treats in the big sale. It's something that they didn't. Oh, I got it, Reese. This is a little big in it. Pizza put for the fridge. This money is really big, goodness. Pizza to the school. This is to put at the table set. As for Callie, it's a really big goodness. A friend to give it a try. With a spin of the hat! A pizza, really. You didn't have one to get your mom. Thanks for your help. The end.